welcome back to SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. I will take this base, dia 80, thickness is 30 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select extrude, select the plane, select circle, create dia 80 circle, finish sketch. Here select symmetric, thickness is 30 mm. Next I will create this part, dia 50 and thickness is 20 mm. Select extrude or sketch, select the plane, select circle, dia 50, dimension here to here 150, give the vertical constraint, select line, give the tangent constraint, trim this line, finish sketch, select this surface, symmetric 20 mm. Next you can see there is a cutout 4 mm both side, offset is 5 mm. Not 5, 4 mm offset, 50 minus 42, 8 mm, so it is 4 mm each side. Select this surface, sketch, select the project geometry, select this surface, select offset 4 mm, trim these lines, give the dimension, so sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch, select extrude, select this surface, reverse direction, depth is 4 mm. So mirror this on opposite side. Okay. Next you can see cutouts are there, 1 2 3 4 6 cutouts total. I will do it in a single sketch. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, R49 is there, 49 into 2, second one is 59, 59 into 2. Third one is 64 into 2. Fourth one is 69 into 2. Select project geometry, select this and this line. Select offset, offset this line 5 mm, same opposite side also 5 mm. Trim these lines. This also. Select circle again. $120 mm, 140 mm. Trim. Select rectangle here. Give the dimension 30, 15, here to here 100, 7.5. Select circle again, dia 20 circle. Trim, select this and this line. Give the dimension here. Sketch is fully constrained. You can compare to the drawings, all the cutouts. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Cut through hole. Okay. Select fillet 5 mm. Okay. Next, select all the cutouts and extrusions. Mirror, plane. Okay. Select this surface, sketch. Here you can see there are 6 cutouts, that is 70 diameter and 20 diameter, 40 degree. Select circle 70 mm, 20 mm. Select line. Convert this for construction line. Select line again. Give the dimensions 40 degree, 20, 40. Select trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. Finish sketch. select extrude, select this surface, reverse direction through hull. Okay, select this extrusion, circular pattern, select the circular part, 6 is okay. That's it friends. Can compare with the drawing. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. I will show the cross section of okay. You can see it is perfectly matching. So that's the today's session friends. Assign the material here. If you enjoying this session, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Stainless steel. The stainless steel, we can assign the polishes like this. Save the part. So that's it friends. I hope you enjoy this session. Once again I am requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends.